Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know how exciting and sometimes tricky it can be to move your assets around. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to withdraw Dogecoin from Kucoin to Bitmart. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this tutorial will have you transferring your Doge in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Bitmart. You'll also need some Dogecoin in your Kucoin wallet and the exact wallet address from Bitmart ready to go. Security is key in crypto, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallets, section. Find Dogecoin in your list of holdings. It should be easy to spot with its fun Shiba Inu logo. Next, click on Dogecoin and select the Withdraw option. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Here's where it gets important. Paste in your Bitmart Dogecoin wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one for the Dogecoin network. In 2025, most exchanges use the same blockchain, but always verify to prevent any losses. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to check the network fees. They can vary, so aim to withdraw enough to cover those costs. Once you've filled everything out, review the details carefully. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to go through a two-factor authentication step for added security. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or Kucoin notifications for confirmation. Once it's done, log into your Bitmart account and check your Dogecoin balance. If everything went smoothly, your funds should be there. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn Dogecoin from Kucoin to Bitmart. Crypto can be volatile, so handle your assets wisely. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.